Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Shark upright vacuum cleaners. On the right, I got the Rotator Power Fins Hair Pro, and on the left, I got the Lift Away Self-Cleaning Brush Roll. Here I've got a really big mess. Let's see how they do. So the green one here has lift away. This one does, the Rotator does not have lift away. Let me show you that lift away. You're going to press this red button and the whole base unit can lift away for easy cleaning in different areas. When you're done, just push it back on. Okay, so let's go empty out the dirt chamber debris. This one you're going to take off, take over to the trash can, press this button, everything's going to come out. This one's a little bit easier. Press up on these buttons right here and this whole thing comes, and you're going to take this to the trash can, press this, the bottom comes out and everything empties out. This is a lot bigger storage for dirt and debris. Now they both have filters. You're going to have to clean these filters once in a while, rinse them out really good, and then make sure they're dry before you put them back. Same with over here. Both of these have a HEPA filter. This one's just a little different access. You're going to access it right here. This one's right here. You just pull the HEPA filter straight out. This one has odor neutralizing with power fins. We got an odor neutralizing cartridge. So it's going to let a little air in, and as the air escapes the vacuum cleaner, it's going to have this scent in it. It's just like a gel. It does smell really good, and it does work good. So if you're doing vacuuming like a house with a lot of smell in it, this definitely does help. So both of them say they have a self-cleaning brush head. Now this one here, you can see the little yellow thing back there. The bristles are going to travel through that and everything's going to get knocked off of them. So as you can see, as the roller turns, everything has to go through that yellow thing sticking down. Now this one says it has a self-cleaning roller brush, but I don't see that thing that sticks down and everything goes through it. Now it does have a really big roller brush, but as we can see, so it must do the self-cleaning somehow with the roller brush. And then here's this roller brush. So right now, the green Shark over here is retailing for $236. And this one right here, the odor neutralizing Rotator, is retailing for $270. You know, I really do like the odor neutralizing Rotator. If you find that you need lift away technology, this one does a really good job, but I just find that this one does a really nice job. I love the odor neutralizing technology. I thought they both did a great job on hardwood floors and on carpet. I like that the dirt chamber is easier to empty on the Rotator over here. So the green one is 10 amps and this other one is 9.5 amps. Underneath the video, if you could give it a thumbs up, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with these products, I will give them away. Also, this is where I got my Simple Sip coffee, Just a Dad Dark Roast Simple Sip coffee. It's going to be for sale. It's a dark Brazilian roast, whole bean, K-cup, and ground. And I also started a podcast, Coffee with Dad podcast. This is where I interview different people about their stories with coffee. So check that out. That's on all those platforms that you get. Apple Podcasts, Spotify. It's even on YouTube. I do a video version of it also on YouTube. So again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. Again, if you could, please like and hit the subscribe button. That really helps out my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it.